We understand that there's nothing more valuable than your time. That's why we want to introduce you to a more unique and convenient way to get your vehicle serviced and repaired. Silver Lake Auto and Tire Centers makes your life easy with our free, customer-focused concierge services. Just bring your car to one of our convenient Silver Lake Auto and Tire Center locations, and our Premier Shuttle Service will drive you where you need to go in one of our safe and comfortable shuttle vehicles. When your car is ready, we'll pick you up and bring you right back to your car. Can't make it to our shop? We also offer complimentary door-to-door service. We'll pick up your car wherever you are, and when your repairs are finished, we'll bring your car back to you. That's right, there's no need to leave the office. Do you have errands to run but also need your car serviced? Silver Lake Auto and Tire Centers provides loaner vehicles too, allowing you to get on with your day. We can even drop one off when we pick up your car. At Silver Lake Auto and Tire Centers in Oconomowoc and Hartland, we make it easy for you to spend time doing the things you love. We work around your schedule, ensuring your weekends aren't bogged down with auto repairs and maintenance appointments. Allow us to make your life more convenient. Schedule an appointment with Silver Lake Auto and Tire Centers today.